Hello, this is Amber Wood. Welcome to my video. Today we are going to be looking at the magnetic eyelashes. I've just not tried them yet. What I'm going to do today is not only try them out, talk about my first impressions and what I think about them, but I'm going to do a wear test. So I'm going to put them on after my baby wakes up from his nap. We're going to go to the store. We're going to see if they're baby proof, see how they last, and then I'll come back this evening and let you know what I think. And before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe below and do it today. Subscribe today. Thank you. So first off, I got these at TJ Maxx. They were $9.99. You can see right there. So if you haven't watched my TJ Maxx and Ross haul yet, I'll put the link up above now. So make sure you check that out. It's a great video. But I bought these. I've seen them many times. I have a friend that tried them out. I don't know what brand she used, and I thought, hey, let me give them a shot. Now, first thing, when I did pick up the box, I'm not real smart sometimes. My brain just kind of goes, ooh. When I saw it, I was like, oh, look, you get two pair. Top and bottom. Hello. Pretty. So anyway, here we go. It says, easy to apply, no adhesive needed, reusable. Sometimes the eyelash glue irritates my eye, and as you guys know, I do have a leaky eye, so anything that's going to get in there is going to cause it to leak more. So if I can use these instead of my regular lashes, well, that would be great, but I'm not sure how this is going to work out. Gently remove the upper and lay it on top of your natural lash line, and then gently remove the under magnetic lash and place underneath the natural lash to connect the two magnets together. Okay, so here's what you get. You get uppers and lowers, and these are similar to the lashes that I usually use. I do use Ardell a lot, so I love the company. I use their lashes all the time. I get like the colored ones. Oh, they're on some sticky thing. Oh, did I just rip it? So look at the edges of the lashes. See those little dots? There's like a little stickum in there. And so the ends of the lashes were on there, and I was scared I was going to like rip it or something. Okay, it looks like there's 3 magnets on the outer edges and then one in the middle. So this is on the right top. So I'm just going to lay it on there. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. You guys, have y'all tried these before? I only have one layer of mascara on because I didn't want to like get crazy. Okay, so I'm going to kind of put it towards the edge a little bit, I think. Ugh, this is just tricky to get it to stay on there. Okay. That's going to look weird just on the... Why doesn't it go all the way across? We're going to give this a try and see. Oh! Oh, did y'all see that? Oh my God. But this one didn't stick. Oh, I jacked it up. Okay, easy to apply, not so much. Let's try again. Okay, first go, didn't work. Let's try. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh. Okay, so here's my thought so far. I look like I only have on the outside. Why didn't it go all the way across is my question, first off. And I also worry because it's not all the way to the base. So I'm a little worried about that. So we might have to readjust. Let's go ahead and try the other side. Okay, maybe I need to use my tweezers. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. The tweezers held on. Okay, try it again. So maybe once I got the hang of it, it would be easy to apply. What the heck? So on this side, my eyelashes are really stupid. They're all like up and down, up and down. Okay. I got it. Okay, are y'all ready? I'm gonna try the bottom. Oh, Now look it. It's pointing down. Can y'all see that? This is... I need to flip it up. Okay. They look kind of weird. I feel like it looks weird. I'm going to have to play with these a little bit and try and kind of readjust to try and get them closer to the base. Because look, I mean, it's just like, hi, here's just, I mean, people are going to know. You know, usually when I wear fake eyelashes, I want them to look somewhat natural, unless it's Halloween. I mean, for God's sakes. So I'm going to readjust. Then I'll do some video while I'm out on the town, and then we'll come back and see how they've lasted. Now, from far away, it doesn't look bad, okay? And they feel secure, but I just feel like they look weird because they're not all the way to the base. So I'm going to try and get them closer. I'll take some more video on the road, and we'll see how it goes. Oh! Ooh! Hello. So I've had the lashes on now for about an hour and a half. We just got to the Kroger. I had to wait for the baby to wake up. So far, so good. Like, they feel like normal, you know, like it feels like I don't really have anything on. They're very lightweight, so that's good. When I picked the baby up from his nap, he was crying, as they do, and he was hugging me on my face, and I thought he like grabbed this one, so I was like, ah! I was paranoid that he pulled it off, but he didn't. So the good news is that you don't have to carry around glue. If they do come off, you can reapply. Again, I'm just talking about like how they don't look super natural to me. I feel like I would need it whiter. So I'm actually going to look in the store and see if they have any other magnetic lashes in there too, and see what they've got. So I will come back and let you know how it's going. So we're here in Kroger. Hi. Say hi. Aren't you cute? Yeah. Say cheese. Yeah. So we don't see any magnetic lashes. I mean, here's the whole Ardell section, which they have a great selection, just no magnetic. I was going to mention also the other issue I ran into was the tweezers. I was trying to use the tweezers, and they're metal. So the magnet kept getting stuck on the tweezers. So you got to use one of these plastic bobbers they got in here. Car now. Here's Gavin. He was a very good boy. I did get a few funny looks. You know, being kind of full glam. Even though I'm not really full glam, it kind of looks like it with the lashes. But they still hanging on. They feel good. Feel light. Gavin, what do you want to say? Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, good job. All right, I'll see you back in the glam room. Okay, we're back in the glam room. Here's what I discovered after doing a little research online, like I should have done in the first place. I noticed that it says magnetic accents. Accents. Y'all, that's the reason that these are short and not going all the way across. They do make them that go all the way across. So Ardell, I'm sorry, I'm a moron. So I would like to try those and see how they do. My thoughts on these I think are still valid as far as just the product and how it works and things like that. So final thoughts after the day. I've now had these on for about a little over 5 hours. They have not moved really. Oh, there's a cat hair in one. They haven't really moved, but I think as far as the way that they look, I think obviously I would look better with the ones that go all the way across my eye. I did get some interesting looks at the grocery store, so that was fun. I don't know that I would wear these like if I was going out, you know, for dinner or out on the town or whatever. I think I would still wear my normal, you know, ones with the glue because I feel like those feel more secure. But just to throw something on, you know, just something easy without the glue, I think it's a great option. I definitely recommend trying the regular ones versus the accents. This is just what was at TJ Maxx, and I just saw magnetic and I was like, oh, let me try them. But dummy, I need a different kind because these just kind of look crazy. Like, Does anybody's eyelashes really look that long? Because mine are short, and I feel like I look crazy with these on. But look, I did what I was supposed to do. I pushed forward. I went to the grocery store. No fear. I wasn't worried about getting embarrassed. I didn't care. Just sitting there talking to the baby the whole time, and you know, people looked at me funny, but that's okay. So I'm gonna take them off now. The on-off situation is probably gonna be a lot easier. Let's see. That's it. Look at that. And they're stuck together, so you don't lose them. That's good. Let's see the other one. And that's it. You know, the ones with the glue, you do have to peel off. And then you have a bit of residue. No residue. So there's some pluses on that. You know, so I feel like there's pluses and minuses on this product. I would like to try the other band where it goes across the entire eye. I think that would work better for me. These accents, I just feel like didn't work as far as the length goes, but the brand, the product in general, I was okay with it. I think it's good to have it in your drawer to pull out every now and then in case you just need a quick lash. I love Ardell. I do love the brand, so I look forward to trying the actual eyelash rather than the one that I found at TJ Maxx. So let me know down below if you've tried magnetic lashes before and what you think about them. If there's a different brand that I should try or something that you guys have in mind that you would like for me to try and do a review of, please let me know. If you like this video, please give it a like. Make sure you subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell so you get a little note every time I have a new video. And take care, you guys. Have a great day. Bye. Me and my lashitos. I wonder if I could put them up here. How about a uni? Oh, that's not a good look for me. Here we go. See, I don't have any glue, so it won't stay. Here we go. How's that look? A little Frida action. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's a no. All right, I think it's time to wrap this up, baby. I think we're done here. Goodbye.